always try to lock the handle when it's towards right side like this, not towards the sides. Just a tip from me, because it's easier to get on like this and have control over the handlebar. Yep. What is this? Wanna see what's this cafeteria? Looks like a good place actually. I'm sure it's a cafe because it's got that cafe vibes. Whew. It's just sheer happiness riding through this forest with all the birds chirping and the nature sound. I don't know. So this middle part of the mountain, like the center of the mountain, like that portion is my favorite because you get to ride through this kind of vegetation. It's good, filled with trees and plants. So if you guys don't know, I'm obsessed with plants and nature. Once I had about 5 plants in my room, in my bedroom. Yeah, indoor plants. And while moving to Kerala, I don't know, there's only the pots left. There's no soil in that. There's no plants. I don't know where it went. That's it. Easy clap. It's really hard to overtake those Anavandis. You just have to wait for that, that correct time to overtake, and then boom, you get in front of him. Hell yeah. Alright, it's too sunny right now. If I stop my bike for 10 seconds, I'm gonna fry up inside. So I hope you guys like this video. More travel vlogs to come. More travel vlogs to come. And I'm pretty sure I jinxed that because right after this ride, the lockdown started. So is it my fault? I don't know. But what I know is I'm currently stuck in my home right now. And yeah. Bye.